Hi, good afternoon, Scerbo's Landscaping. Thank you for replying to my message. I got the information that I need, so I couldn't find any website related to your business. So for the purpose of the video, I'm going to be doing landscaping, Manahawkin, New Jersey. The first thing you're going to see here is the map section. If you have a Google Business profile, you definitely could be here if you have relevant content, images, and reviews. If you have reviews, you have to reply to those reviews. Google loves to see that interaction between consumer and service provider. Then we have organic results. On number one, we got Klein Brothers Landscaping. Then we got Yelp, Angie, Green Tree Garden Central Landscaping.com. That's a long name. So, but quick fact, 70% of the people that do a Google search, they only go for the top three here and the top three here on the organic results. That means that they don't scroll down all the way to the end of the page, not even go to the second or third page. So most of the traffic will be concentrating here on these top positions. Now let's see why these guys are ranking number one. And we're gonna see how many people are looking for those services, right? We got their website here. The first thing we have to understand if you decide to have a website is that if you want to be showing up on Google searches, you need to have relevant content. When I say content, I'm talking about all the text that a website has, right? All this. Why? It's important because when Google analyzes your website, they read through all of this. And it's not like an actual human being actually is reading. They have this software algorithm going on. So if the text doesn't make sense doesn't meet the criteria that expects, you're not going to be showing up on Google. Also, keywords. You have to understand what kind of keywords are people looking for related to your services. So, like I said, landscaping, Manhattan, New Jersey, these guys are showing, right? I'm going to show you how many people are looking for those services. I use this tool called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from your website based on Google criteria. So we can see here that these guys are being found for 92 keywords, and they have around 315 backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites or other websites that are mentioning your name or your business name, and this will give you the power so you can be found on Google. It's pretty much like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you, your business, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. Same thing happens here with backlinks. So let's see what kind of keywords they're being found for based on the website content and the backlinks that support their credibility in Google. So they're ranking for their branding name, but there you go. Landscaping Manahawkin, there's 80 searches a month because they're ranking on the top three, they're getting 14 visits. If you ask me, those 14 visits are, I can translate that to 14 chances they get every month on getting clients that are looking for landscape in Manhattan. Now, since we're in New Jersey and Ocean County, I think it might be one of the interests as well. This is interesting. Landscapers in Ocean County, New Jersey, there's 60 searches a month, and because they're not even on the first page, they don't get any traffic. So you see here the benefits of ranking on the top positions. You get people to land on your website just because you're in those top positions, right? Let's do another example really quick. If I go, because New Jersey is not, it's not that big compared to, I don't know, Texas, New York. Most of the people try to target the whole state and then just filter out the leads that they get. So if we go to Google and type landscape New Jersey, same thing. This is sponsored by Google. You pay to be there. Then you have your traditional Google ads. You pay every time somebody clicks on your ad. The map section, and then organic results. Number one, we got this sceniclandscaping.com. I've seen these guys before when I've done a couple of research, keyword research here from New Jersey for landscaping. Number two, we got this New Jersey Landscape Contractors Association, which is probably not a business, but more like a directory. Then you have House, Jersey Landscaping. So let's see why these guys are ranking number one, right? We can see their website is nice. They have a really good layout and they have a lot of content. See how they're trying to target keywords like this. New Jersey Landscape Company, and then they surround that keyword with relevant content with all of this. That's the proper way to target keywords and have relevant content so Google can understand that you want to be appearing every time somebody types landscape New Jersey. If we look at the numbers, they're being found for 826 keywords and they have around 2.6 thousand backlinks. So let's see what kind of keywords are they being found for really quick. New Jersey landscaping, there's 1,500 searches a month. Wow, that's a lot. And because they're ranking number one, they get 325 visits just for this keyword. So you see the difference, right? These guys were just targeting this low, not really low volume, but more like a specific location, not the whole state. New Jersey landscapes, 1,400 searches a month because in the top 5, 6, they get another 106. So just do the math. Between these two is what? 431 visits. Enjoying landscaping, 150 searches a month because they're ranking number 2. They get another 53. We can do the math on all this, and that's the proper way that you should be targeting keywords that is valuable. Because what is the purpose of you showing up if somebody types landscaping service and you show up in California? It doesn't make sense, right? So this is the proper way, and this is how we show business owners the potential that the business can achieve. So I don't want to take too much of your time. So what do you have to do? If you're gonna have a website, you have to take in consideration content. That's the first one. Then keywords. Understand what keywords you want to be showing up for, and if there's any volume search. And backlinks. You need to have the credibility so you can be showing up on Google, provided by other external websites, so they know that you are that you are the real deal. I hope you find this information useful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Once again, my name is Alex, and thank you for watching.